Jamaica, watch this.
Jamaica. See her, see her there, sir. I bujo that. This is the last of her. This is the last of bujo. You understand what I say? I don't care what your thoughts were of her. I don't care what your thoughts were. Someone say she a lesbian, she a gun man, she a this. I want him to tell you, see the disrespect. Her life was taken by the security forces. Man who a get bail. You understand what I say? When I look at our son just now, him couldn't even turn up. They have to put him down and take off his jacket. When he look, this is the last this of his mother. The amount of people come here and then the police then come here. When they come at the funeral, come with mask, be a mask. I want to come tell the pastor, say, I'm lock off now. I'm lock off now. Well, we are very grateful. We are very grateful for the few minutes so we get. And we get to lay her to rest. But let me tell you this. Let me send a message to every single person in a Jamaica where few taxpayer money are pay. When I get up and I oppress the Jamaican people them. You see me? Me never did want to do this, you know. Me never come as for this, you know. But when me see more than 40 police, more than 40 police come at one funeral where at them colleague woman. Who never come for Sarah, you know, just keep the peace. When you come with high-powered rifle, come a funeral, be a high-powered rifle and mask. Like you know, deal with some bunch of the same people, them pay on a month time. A few with taxpayer money, pay on. Because if we not have taxes, you can't get shit. A few with money put food on the table. See the remains of the woman here. Yes, to them I got one. For the two brother 100%, and to them I got a mob here. For the young lady, see her there, last of her, and Jamaica quiet, everybody have fun. When me watch a woman pitting them off your walkway, and her loved ones and friends, everybody have to come and say goodbye, but it never have to happen like that. It never have to happen like, and the man upon bail. And we know how this gonna go dry it out. And nobody not got prison, but let me tell you something. You see, as long as breath I flow through this body here, the Jamaican government and all of the little nasty dirty people them who disrespect the Jamaican people and kill off the innocent Jamaican people them who gonna have me, Marvin, Agent Edgar to deal with. I'm gonna come by myself. You see the powers above will flow through me, watch me and uno. Because when me look at the disrespect, uno do it as uno that man for the other little youth, uno kill the youth. And then if an innocent youth don't tell me attack. Innocent youth, I want to come at funeral and tell the pastor, say, they have 15 minutes. So after you kill the people, you go around at their funeral and oppress them.